Hey wonderful souls, it's your friends from the Pride Collection, and we're absolutely thrilled to have you snuggling up with us for this winter adventure. Picture this, a snow-covered town, laughter echoing through cozy spaces, and a tale that's all about two incredible souls finding love in the most unexpected places. So, grab a blanket, a hot cocoa, and let's dive into a story that's bound to warm your heart and sprinkle a bit of that magical holiday charm. Love in a Snowstorm, Hallie and Kai. In the enchanting week leading up to Christmas, a picturesque town was blanketed in a thick layer of snow. Nestled within this winter wonderland were two souls destined for serendipity. Hallie, a captivating artist with an affinity for watercolors, and Kai, a mysterious bookshop owner with a diverse taste in literature. Their paths, initially distant, converged unexpectedly as the snowstorm painted their world in glistening white. Their first encounter was in the cozy laundry room, where Hallie and Kai exchanged casual greetings while rescuing their clothes from the whims of a mischievous washer. Hallie chuckled about her socks turning a rosy hue, and Kai, with a sparkle in her eyes, shared a quirky tale about a book club escapade. As the snowflakes continued to weave their tapestry outside, Hallie and Kai decided to share more than just laundry space. In the warmth of their apartments, they concocted makeshift dinners from an assortment of odds and ends. What began as simple moments blossomed into shared laughter, and the confined building transformed into a haven of shared secrets and intimacy. One cozy evening, bathed in the glow of a crackling fireplace, they stumbled upon an old board game. What commenced as a friendly competition evolved into a dance of wits, punctuated by laughter and lingering gazes. In the soft light, their eyes met, and a subtle shift occurred, a spark of connection that transcended the boundaries of mere friendship. The turning point unfolded during a late-night conversation by the window, cocoa cups in hand. Beneath the falling snow, they laid bare their dreams, fears, and the silent desires that had been kindling beneath the surface. The snowfall outside became a silent witness to the vulnerability and passion that unfurled within those walls. As Christmas Eve drew near, they ventured into the snow-covered town, its twinkling lights and hushed beauty a backdrop to the burgeoning romance. Stolen glances and shared smiles revealed an unspoken understanding. The air was thick with anticipation, charged with the unyielding promise of something extraordinary about to unfold. The passion that had simmered within them, once a quiet ember, now surged like a tempest within their souls. As they stood amidst the snowflakes gently falling from the heavens, their gaze locked in a magnetic pull, time seemed to stand still. It was a moment suspended in the delicate dance of the season, where every heartbeat echoed the crescendo of emotions building between them. And then, as if the universe itself held its breath, Hallie and Kai yielded to the magnetic force drawing them together. Their lips met in a kiss, a profound collision of souls sending ripples of warmth through their entire beings. It was more than a meeting of mouths. It was a convergence of hearts, a culmination of unspoken desires, and a promise etched in the language of passion. The world around them melted away as they immersed themselves in the fervour of that kiss. The snowflakes bearing witness to a love story written in the stars. The night, once hushed, now resonated with the symphony of two hearts finding their rhythm. The air, electrified by their connection, carried the whispers of a promise, of a love that transcended the ordinary and ignited the extraordinary. On Christmas morning, as the sun cast a gentle glow on the snow-draped landscape, Hallie and Kai sat side by side on the couch. The realization of their connection settled in, and a shared glance conveyed more than words ever could. The snow that had initially confined them became the canvas for the beginning of a beautiful love story, a serendipitous journey sparked by a snowstorm and kindled by shared moments, laughter, and the magic of unexpected passion. In the days that followed, Hallie and Kai delved deeper into the richness of their connection. Lazy mornings were spent sipping coffee, discussing art, literature, and peeling away the layers of their individual selves. One night, as the snowstorm continued its dance outside, they embarked on a joint creative project. Armed with paintbrushes and a shared canvas, they brought to life a winter masterpiece, a testament to the beauty they found in each other amidst the snowflakes and the hush of the season. The canvas transformed with each brushstroke, mirroring the delicate dance of emotions between them. Moments of uncertainty, flashes of passion, and the gradual merging of their individual hues into a harmonious blend. Their snowed-in haven became a sanctuary for exploration and intimacy. The crackling fire and soft glow of fairy lights created an ambience that mirrored the warmth growing between them. The holiday season, initially a cocoon, became a backdrop for a love story penned in shared glances, stolen kisses, and the unspoken promises of a future intertwined. On New Year's Eve, as the snowstorm began to relent, Hallie and Kai stood on their apartment building's rooftop, gazing at the snow-covered town below. The air was crisp, and the world shimmered with the promise of a fresh start. With the clock ticking toward midnight, they shared their first New Year's Eve kiss, a moment that sealed the enchantment of the holiday season and marked the beginning of a new chapter in their lives. The snow that brought them together now crunched beneath their feet as they descended, hand in hand, ready to face the world outside their winter haven. In the days that followed, as the town emerged from its snowy slumber, Hallie and Kai navigated the challenges of the real world with newfound strength. Their love story, born from a serendipitous snowstorm, continued to unfold and flourish in the light of day. And so, as the winter sun painted the town in hues of gold, Hallie and Kai embraced the promise of a future filled with shared laughter, artistic collaborations, and the enduring warmth of a love kindled by the unexpected magic of a snowed-in serendipity. As the last snowflake falls, a big thanks from us, the Pride Collection, for listening to this heartwarming story. Here's to a Merry Christmas full of good vibes, laughter, and the freedom to just be you. Embrace the holiday feels, and remember, your unique thread in life's tapestry makes it all the more beautiful. Be true to yourself, spread the love, and may your days be merry and easygoing.